Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the Manage Team section of Memento Yearbook. This feature allows multiple users to collaborate on the yearbook, each with distinct access levels. I'll briefly describe each role for clarity. The Editor-in-Chief role grants comprehensive control over the book, photos, team members, and the admin area. This includes the ability to edit all pages, including portrait sections. Limiting this role to just one or two individuals for efficient management is advisable. The editor role allows for managing the book, photos, and if permitted, portrait section. Editors can edit all pages and access the status report in the admin area. This role should be designated to reliable team members. A staffer is limited to editing only the pages they are assigned. Ideally, this role suits students or guest contributors, allowing focused contributions without broader access to the project. First, let's walk through adding a new team member. Click Add New Staffer to enter their first and last names. You can include a contact email, but it's not mandatory. Remember, without an email, a user can't reset their password independently and will need help from the Editor-in-Chief. Enter a username. Now let's select a role for our new member. Each role unlocks different functionalities. For a staffer, you might enable options like upload photos and create albums. Choosing Editor allows you to add the Manage Portraits permission. And for an Editor-in-Chief, there are no additional options since this role has full access as we discussed earlier. Next, set a temporary password and click Add User. And there you have it. You've successfully added your first user. Thank you for your time.